Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find all the replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, go to the Bluesky application. Now as you see here, you will find your profile in the bottom left, right. Here you will find the posts and the replies. So here you will find all your replies. Also you will find the media, the videos, the liked videos, and that's it. So that's how to find the replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.